Yeah, hi friends, and welcome back for the next video. And today we are going to deal about wireless network generations from one generation, two generation, three generation, four generation, and fifth generation, and sixth generation. And introduction to the wireless network generations. And yeah, we know wireless network generations represents the evolution of mobile communication technologies, like how we are communicating in the 1G and how we are improved that communication between each other in the 2G generation, and how we are improved that 2G to the 3G and 3G to the 4G and 4G to the 5G. And next upcoming we have a 6G generation, and then how we are improve the evolution or improve the communication and the clarity on between one after another generation we will come to know today in this session. And each generation has introduced significant improvements in the data speed and the connectivity and the functionality, and between compared to one generation to all the generations what we have now. And understanding these generations helps us appreciate that advancements in the mobile technologies over the years. And coming to the zero generations, see, the zero generations refers to pre cellular mobile communication systems developed in the 1940s and 1950s. And yeah, these systems were primarily based on the radio and included devices like cell walkie-talkies. See, in the walkie-talkies, we are not communicating simultaneously. If one person have a walkie-talkie and but for example, A have a walkie-talkie and B have another walkie-talkie, and the both cannot communicate simultaneously. See, one has to talk until he completes his words, and B need to be wait for it, and later only you can communicate with that A. That is nothing but one after another need to talk simultaneously. We can't talk in the walkie-talkies and radio dispatch systems. And zero generation provided a limited functionalities, we know, because it is the base, and we don't have much improvements functionalities and speed in the network, speed of the internet or the network generations. And we have one C1G, which is found in 1980s, and like a protocol analog U. And here 2G 1990 they have found, and in 3G they have found 2003, and 4G they have built in 2009, and 5G they have built 2020. See, where in that, see, in the 1G we have 2 to 4 kbs of speed of internet only we are getting at the time. And here in the 2G we have speed 64 kb per second. And here in the 3G, in the 3G mode, see, we are getting 2 MB per second. In the 4G mode, say 100 MB per second we are getting, but in the 5G mode we are 1 GB per second we are getting. See, more than 1 GB. See, I am using 5G mobile. See, I got see prox see 40 MB per second I got. Only that much I observed the range, 40 MB per second it will consume. And coming to the first generation networks emerged in the 1980s, introducing analog techniques for mobile communications. And see how the elevation we will come to know from 1G. Say the devices how they are improved from 1G to 2G, and 3G to 4G, and 4G to 5G. See, lot of evolution will happen from between the 1G, from 1G to 8 now to the 5G. See, the major limitations of 1G was it is low capacity and poor voice quality, leading to drop calls that will happen in the 1G network. That's why they improved to the 2G. Here, 2G networks were launched in earlier 1990s, um, transitioning to digital communication from the analog systems. And these generations introduced SMS, text messages. 2G was introduced that text SMS. In the 1G, we are talking with one after another only. In the 1G, there is no voice like a text messages and just only voice messages, like a voice messages and like that only we are communicating. Before they are communicating in the 1G, enhance the voice quality. In the 2G, they have enhanced the voice quality, some like making them significant upgraded. And coming to the 3G generation, in the 3G like a 3G networks emerged in say earlier to, in the 2000, they have introduced the 3G networks offering faster data transmission and the better voice quality and improved internet connectivity and the functionality. What are the connectivity which will increase it compared to a 2G and a 3G. This generation facilitate mobile web browsing, see video calls and multimedia. So, but not much clarity. But video calls, whatever they have gone through in the 3G, but not clarity. But the voice calls and messages was truly good. Enhanced data capacity leads to the proliferation of smartphones and mobile applications, revolutionizing the communications. And coming to the fourth generation, see, fourth generation is the best generation what we have appeared. Okay, what we have experienced. Okay, the fourth generation introduced in 2000. This also provided even faster data speed and a more reliable connections. See, video call, video whatever the video call we are doing on the fourth generation, it was a good clarity. And the like a technology is primarily based on LTE, long-term evolution. See, 4G LTE we are observing whenever we are using the mobile, like whenever we are calling or whenever we are using the data, like 4G LTE they are showing. That is nothing but long-term evolution standard. And focusing on a high definition video streaming and gaming. So in the gaming also it works. Before the 3G, they are not playing the online games because the whatever the network, whatever internet, which is not speed for the required, for whatever the required, we need to play the video games, which is not sufficient in the 3G. That's why they introduced the 4G for in the gamings and video streamings and all the things. And coming to the fifth generation, and now we are being in the fifth generation. The fifth generation networks rolled out in the it is 2010s, delivered extremely high speed, low latency. So much time it will take least time to transfer the data from one place to the another place. The fifth generation was truly good. Whatever we are whatever we are using now, this is the 5G. This is the fifth generation. It was truly the providing the good efficiency, good connectivity, good functionality. And a sixth generation, the discussion around the sixth generation are already underway, which expectations of even faster speed. So it was truly fast, but six we can't imagine how it will be act. And this is the information we have done in this session. And thank you for the watching. And do like my video.